Where is Nathan? Oh, so much activity. So much activity.
Daddy. Mommy.
Yes. Oh, careful, careful.
With the camera. Help!
Oh, where's Nisa? Oh. Okay. You can go to the other side, Nick. Over there. Over there. Over there. There. Yeah. Hi. Oh, go there. Go there. Go. Hi. Okay, stand up, guys. Are you done, guys? Come here, David. Here. Are you done? Wow. Over here, Nathan.
Daddy, I'm a pencil and draw. I'm a pencil and a draw.
Oh, he go back there. Where? Hi. He's enjoying it so much. Enjoy, guys, okay? Because we're gonna go soon. We're going to go soon, guys.
Yeah, we're going to Zion's house. And go to my Zion's my friend. Because he's naughty.
It's not. Okay. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, Nathan, you want here, over here. Climb here, climb over here. Out to the, there, over here. There, there. Let Nathan finish first, okay? Okay, go. Oh, okay, okay, I can help you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, okay. Good job.
I don't want my babe to. I don't want my babe to come with us.
Oh, she's gonna go with us, okay? Everyone.
But Zion.
Everyone.
Zion, let's.
Good job! Yay!
My babe has all the toys.
Okay, okay, okay. Woo! Okay, go. Okay, 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 okay. Oh my, he's not getting tired. How many times he went back? David. You got it? This is nice playground for you, for the others children. Yay! Bye-bye! Thanks for watching!